Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel English with Ife. It's another short lecture, but it's an important. This lecture is about to let you know the difference between especially or specially. So first of all, especially we use when we wanna mention about something particularly, means किसी चीज़ के बारे में ख़ास हमने mention करना हो, like we are gonna prefer, like that. Like for example, I love to eat pizza and especially Shahi pizza from Asia Cafe. Or one more example, I can say I like to take coffee and especially Italian coffee or Turkish coffee. Means इसमें ये बात क्लियर होती है कि पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है लेकिन ख़ास तौर पर शाही पिज़्ज़ा. मीन्स आप किसी चीज़ को पर्टिकुलरली आप उसको मीन्स प्रेफरेंस देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हम स्पेशली यूज़ करते हैं. एंड द सेकंड इज़ specially like something is made for some purpose, special purpose. Like for an example, this prince coat is stitched specially for groom, like that. Or you can say this food is cooked specially for the guest, like that. Means something is done by some purpose. Means ये चीज़ बनाई गई है किसी purpose के लिए, किसी के लिए ख़ास तौर पर. So hopefully it would be useful for you, this short lecture. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you very much.